Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move an app on your Amazon Fire TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that there's some apps that you don't use and there's some apps that you use more than others. How do you actually go ahead and move apps on your Amazon Fire TV? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and highlight the app that you want to go ahead and move. So for example, if we want to go ahead and let's say that we want to go ahead and move YouTube, all you've got to do is highlight YouTube. And then on your remote, you want to click on these three lines. It's this hamburger icon. So once you've done so, click on the hamburger icon on your remote. And then on the bottom right-hand corner, you can see that it says move to front, or more info, or uninstall. We're going to click on move. And all we're going to do is actually move it left and right to the position in which we want the YouTube app to be. So do notice how it does take you to a different looking window or page, but this is where you could actually go ahead and move YouTube. So if you want it to be placed right here, just click on OK, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and move an app on your Amazon Fire TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.